How to create Amazon Prime account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Amazon Prime application on your device and you will be led to the login page. Here, tap on the Create Account option you see there if you do not already have an account. You will then be required to enter your first and last name, your mobile number or email, and you will then be required to create a password. Once you have entered the following credentials, tap on the Verify Email option you see there, and you will then be required to solve the puzzle shown on the screen. Once done, enter the verification code sent in your email address, and once entered, tap on the Verify option you see there. You will then be required to add in your mobile number, so go ahead and add your mobile number, and finally tap on the Add Mobile Number option you see there, and with this, as you can see, your Prime account is all set. So this is how you can create Amazon Prime account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.